Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Yes, Mobile Mechanic.
Hey, when are you available to have a job looked at?
I'll be available first thing in the morning.
Okay. Can you handle electrical issues or like try to track down something?
What type of car is it?
G37 2010 Infinity.
Just that car is a headache.
Yeah.
Look, you just saying that car. I had a 05 and I sold it just because I love driving it, but I hated working on it and I sold it.
Okay, tell me about it. I think my issue came when I didn't fix the A-pillar thing where the sun drain issue.
You talking about coming off the sunroof?
Yeah, the A-pillar. It's like a known problem for all G's.
Carhelpout.com.
If you don't like get it
It's
done, like water can spill on a module. I just can't figure out which module is bad because I'm getting like a CAN bus issue. I feel like a module went bad, but I can't trace which one.
All right. I would say tomorrow about noon, between noon and 2 o'clock. I have an opener.
Okay, cool. You have do you have like a what's it called? What is it, a boroscope to see like CAN bus issues?
So if you are waiting for the perfect time to seize this opportunity, the time is now.
Are you fed up with carrying the burden of a house you can't afford? Tired of being a landlord? House needs too many repairs? Going through foreclosure? Facing divorce? Income or job loss? Medical bills? Relocation? Inherited an unwanted house? Tired of paying taxes on a vacant house? No matter the reason, condition, or price, we buy houses as is.
WeBuyHousesCashOrTerm.com is your real estate housing consultant when you need to sell your house fast, as is condition, to a cash home buyer and get peace of mind.
Yes.
Okay, cool. That's cool. Because I was making sure because I called another mechanic and he was like, he came up here, he was lost. I'm like, I told you beforehand, you know what I'm saying? So I just want to make sure it's communications, like, so we don't waste each other's time. And, you know, I don't want to waste your time. So if you all good and I'm good for tomorrow too, I could do 12 if that's fine.
All right.
Okay.
All right.
All right, man. I'll see you tomorrow.
Okay.
All right, thanks.
Carhelpout.com is the best way to get a mobile mechanic auto car repair service shop on wheels to come to you. Whether you're stuck at home or on the side of the road, our mobile mechanics are ready to assist you. We bring the repair shop to your location to save you time and hassle. We also provide emergency vehicle roadside assistance, such as car battery jump start, flat tire road service, running out of gas service if your vehicle stops or has a problem on the side of the road or any business parking lot. We understand that car troubles can be stressful, so we aim to provide quick and efficient solutions to get you back on the road as soon as possible. Additionally, we offer pre-purchase used car buying inspection checkup services review. Whether you're buying from local dealership or private car owner seller, either from Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, automotive auction, or anywhere else, we can help you with PPI inspection. We can come to you at any location, whether it's your home driveway, your office parking lot, or even if you're stranded on the roadside.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.